All right, so this is amazing. We've put the back and the two sides on together in literally like 7 minutes. The slots all lined up perfectly. We've got a perfect match on the top. The pins just hooked into the side panels and it just slid right down into place. Super easy. I'll turn it around here so now you see we've got this. We also, one big thing is we put it on some sliders so we could move it around this room till we get it to the right spot, and then we'll take those sliders off. Thanks to Amber, it was a great idea. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the bench together. We'll slide in the front panel, connect everything, super easy. It's all labeled back there. We'll connect all those powers and wires, then we'll put the bench top on. Then we'll move to the front door panel, which has the glass on it, and then we'll move to the top. And really, this is amazing how easy it was. I'm really impressed with this unit by Radiant Heat, and it has the lowest EMF on the market, which means it's super healthy for you. This is definitely something that if you want a home sauna, this is definitely a winner.